Hi there, good day to all of you. Welcome to Camglish.com. I'm Teacher Angel and I'm going to be teaching you another grammar lesson in the book Essential Grammar News, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. Hi students! Today we're going to discuss something in Unit 20, and that something is I have done as our present perfect and the use of I did as past simple tense. Alright? In our previous videos, we learned that we use present perfect tense if the action has a connection to the present, right? And we use past or past simple to talk about an action or a situation or event in the past. The event can be short or long, but we use simple past tense. Alright? Let's focus here. If we remember, the formula in forming a present perfect sentence is this. We have to see the subject, auxiliary verbs has or have depending on the number of your subject, plus past participle of your main verb, plus the object of your sentence. Okay? We have to put the past participle of our main verb to indicate that our sentence is in present perfect form. Alright? While when we talk about past simple, all we have to do is to make our verb in the past form of it. Subject plus the past form of verb plus the object of your sentence. In general, if we say the time or place of the event, we must use the simple past tense. We cannot use the present perfect tense. Alright? Example. We arrived yesterday. See that? It's not in present perfect tense, right? Okay, so that's what we should learn when we make past simple sentence. Here is the right formula. The past participle of your verb plus the time when you finished doing the action or the event. Next, question or example. We arrived last week. Alright, you put the time when you finished it or the time when you arrived. It was last week. Next, we arrived at 3 o'clock. We arrived in 2002. We arrived 6 months ago. Alright? Yesterday, last week, 6 months ago happened in the past. They are what we call finished time. Okay? It happened before and not now. Okay? Another point or another thing to remember. Do not use the present perfect, have arrived, have done, have been, etc. Okay? With a finished time. As I mentioned a while ago, right? Example. I saw Paula yesterday. You cannot say, I have seen Paula yesterday. Alright? Because if you notice, it doesn't have a connection to our present time or to the present situation, right? We just use present perfect if the action has a connection to the present, right? Next, where were you on Sunday afternoon? You shouldn't say, where have you been? Alright? Next, we didn't have a holiday last year. You cannot say, we haven't had holiday last year. Next, what did you do last night? I stayed home. This sentence or this question is also in past simple form. We have here did. Alright? And the response should also be in the past simple. We have here the word stayed. Next, William Shakespeare lived from 1564 to 1616. He was a writer. He wrote many plays and poems. Let's find out the past simple or past tense here. We have here lived, was, and of course wrote. This is the past form of wrote. Now, use the past to ask when or what time. Okay, these are the questions if you know when it happened or what time the action took place. Alright? When did you buy your computer? Do not say, when have you bought your computer? Okay, that's no. Next, what time did Andy go out? You cannot ask the question, what time has Andy gone out? Okay? Because these events were completely finished, right? These events were done. Now, next week, actually not a week, but in our next video, we're going to talk about this one, okay? We will compare the difference between present perfect sentence and past simple sentences, alright? Oh, students, sorry about a few slips today. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you had fun and you learned something new that might improve your sentence construction. Thank you again for watching, and your English is going to be awesome if you just study harder, alright? And we're not closing doors. You can study with us on Camglish.com so you will improve your English speaking skills. You'll not only learn about grammar, but also how to pronounce words correctly. Goodbye. Have a nice day. See you next time.